Welcome to the ultimate guide to mastering your money. Have you ever wondered how to manage your money effectively? Well, you're not alone. Each year, countless individuals grapple with the same question. One answer to this conundrum is budgeting. Yes, budgeting, the elusive concept that seems daunting yet is fundamentally simple. It's about knowing where your comes from and where it goes. It's about making sure that every dollar has a purpose. It's about financial control, security, and freedom. But let's be real, budgeting can be challenging. It requires discipline, foresight, and a clear understanding of your financial goals. Many of us stumble upon common obstacles, such as unexpected expenses or the lure of impulsive purchases. But don't worry, we've got you covered. This guide is designed to navigate you through the complexities of budgeting, helping you overcome these challenges and set you on a path towards financial stability. Stick around, as we are about to break down the concept of budgeting into simple, easy-to-understand steps. So, what exactly is budgeting? Well, picture yourself on a road trip. You've got your destination in mind, and you've got a map to guide you there. Now, think of budgeting as the financial map for your life's journey. It's a plan for your income and expenses, a guideline that'll help you navigate through your spending and saving decisions. Just like a road trip, your financial journey will have its fair share of bumps, sharp turns, and scenic routes. Your budget is the GPS that helps you stay on track, guiding you towards your financial goals while helping you avoid those pesky financial potholes. But let's break it down a bit further. The concept of budgeting revolves around two primary components: income and expenses. Income is the fuel that drives your financial journey. It's your paycheck, your freelance gigs, your passive income streams, or any other money you bring in. It's the financial horsepower that propels you towards your goals. On the flip side, we have expenses. These are the costs that come with living life, the toll booths on your financial highway. They can be fixed, like rent or car payments, or variable, like groceries or entertainment. They can be necessary, like healthcare, or discretionary, like that fancy new gadget you've been eyeing. Now, the magic of budgeting happens when you align your income and expenses in a way that supports your financial goals. It's about understanding where your money is going and making intentional decisions about how to spend it. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself or living on a shoestring. It's about making your money work for you. It's about creating a sense of financial security and freedom. It's about being able to enjoy the journey and reach the destination you've set for yourself. So, whether you're saving up for a house, planning for retirement, or just trying to make ends meet, a budget is your financial roadmap. In essence, a budget is a tool for you to understand your money, and it's a crucial first step in effective financial management. You might be wondering, why should I bother with a budget? Let's break it down. Budgeting is like a roadmap for your finances. It helps you navigate your way to financial freedom. First, budgeting can help you avoid debt. It's easy to lose track of where your money is going when you're not keeping an eye on it. By budgeting, you'll know exactly where every dollar is allocated, preventing you from spending more than you earn. Second, budgeting allows you to build a savings cushion. With a budget, you can set aside a portion of your income for savings each month, helping you prepare for unexpected expenses or future investments. Lastly, budgeting is key to achieving your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a house, planning a vacation, or looking to retire early, a budget serves as a financial blueprint, guiding you towards your goals. So budgeting is not just about restricting your spending, but about making your money work for you. Ready to start your budgeting journey? Here's how to do it. For many, creating a budget might seem like a daunting task, but it's not rocket science. In fact, it's a simple four-step process: tracking your income and expenses, categorizing your spending, setting financial goals, and making adjustments as needed. So, let's break it down. Step 1. Track your income and expenses. Begin by determining your total income. This should include all your earnings, whether from a job, a side hustle, or any other source. Next, track your expenses. This might seem tedious, but it's crucial. Write down every single thing you spend money on, whether it's a cup of coffee, a utility bill, or an impulse buy. You'd be surprised to see where your money is going. Step 2. Categorize your spending. Once you've tracked your expenses, divide them into categories. These could be essentials such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Then there are discretionary expenses like eating out, entertainment, and shopping. Don't forget to include savings and debt payments as categories too. Step 3. Set your financial goals. Now it's time to think about what you want to achieve financially. Do you want to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or maybe save for retirement. Whatever your goals are, write them down. Then, allocate a portion of your income towards these goals. Remember, every little bit counts. Even setting aside a small percentage of your income can make a big difference in the long run. Step 4. Make adjustments as needed. Now that you've created your budget, it's not set in stone. As your income, expenses, or goals change, so should your budget. Maybe you've got a raise, or maybe an unexpected expense has come up. Adjust your budget accordingly. It's also a good idea to review your budget regularly, at least once a month, to make sure you're on track. Creating a budget doesn't mean you have to give up all the things you enjoy. Instead, it's about making conscious decisions on where your money goes. It's about prioritizing your financial health and working towards your goals. And remember, budgeting isn't about perfection. It's okay to stumble and make mistakes. What's important is that you learn from these mistakes and keep going. So, take the plunge. Start tracking your income and expenses today. Categorize your spending. Set your financial goals. And don't forget to adjust your budget as needed. Remember, your budget is a living document. You can and should adjust it as your financial situation changes. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your budgeting journey starts here. Creating a budget is one thing, sticking to it is another. The journey to financial freedom is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's not about immediate perfection, but gradual progress. So when you're starting out with budgeting, remember to start small. It's like learning to ride a bike. You don't start off by entering the Tour de France. No, you start by learning to balance, then pedal. And before you know it, you're off to the races. So start with small, manageable goals, and as you get more comfortable with budgeting, you can start to challenge yourself more. Next, be realistic. If you set an unrealistically tight budget, you're setting yourself up for failure. It's like trying to go from eating fast food every day to suddenly becoming a vegan. It's not going to happen overnight. So, set a budget that reflects your actual spending habits, and then work on gradually reducing your expenses. Thirdly, prioritize your needs over your wants. It's easy to confuse the two, especially when you're faced with a shiny new gadget or a trendy pair of shoes. But remember, needs are things that are essential for your survival and well-being, like food, shelter, and healthcare. Wants are things that enhance your life, but you can live without. So, when you're allocating your funds, make sure your needs are taken care of first. Lastly, don't be afraid to use budgeting tools or apps. We live in a digital age where there's an app for just about everything, and budgeting is no exception. These tools can help you track your spending, set financial goals, and even provide insights into your spending habits. They can be a game changer in your budgeting journey. So there you have it, some tips to help you on your budgeting journey. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting your life, but about making conscious decisions that will enhance your financial freedom. With patience and perseverance, you can master the art of budgeting. So, there you have it, Budgeting 101. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of budgeting, from understanding its concept to recognizing its significance in our lives. We've unraveled the mystery of creating a budget, making it less of a chore and more of an empowering tool. We've delved into the importance of budgeting, a potent tool that gives us a clear picture of our financial health and aids in making informed decisions. We've highlighted the steps to create a budget, making it simple and achievable for anyone, regardless of their financial background. We also dished out some pro tips for successful budgeting, from being realistic to keeping it flexible, and the need for periodic reviews. These are not just tips, but strategies that can transform your financial landscape if applied consistently. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. Start today and take control of your financial future. Before we wrap things up, I want to take a moment to thank you for journeying with us through the world of budgeting. If you found this guide helpful, we have many more tips and tricks up our sleeve. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and join our community. If you liked what you watched, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you think this video could help someone you know, please do share it with them. Remember, financial literacy is not just for the few, it's for everyone. So let's spread the knowledge and help each other grow. Stay tuned for more financial wisdom. Until next time, keep budgeting and take control of your financial future.